everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm here with my team with one phrasal verb, pick up, and 20 different meanings. Let's pick up. One phrasal verb with 20 different meanings. Isn't it interesting? Yes, but the task for us is not to memorize it all. Yeah, it must be very difficult, it is very confusing, but I'm going to share some real life situations that where can you use the phrasal verb pick up in 20 different situations. I'll share the sentences with you. You just need to understand the sentences and then can use in your real life situations. Let's get into it and see the first meaning. The first meaning of the phrasal verb pick up is to lift something up using your arms. Let's say, for example, I have a baby and I lift her up in my arms. I like to pick up my baby in my arms. That is the first meaning. To pick up something. That is to lift something up using your arms. You can use the phrasal verb pick up in order to make someone feel better, right? For example, early in the morning, my coffee makes me feel better. It picks me up. Really, my morning coffee picks me up early in the morning so that I get started with my work. Third meaning of the phrasal verb pick up is to get back after being knocked down. For example, you are playing some game or physical activity and you fall down. At that time, you can use the phrasal verb pick up. You need to pick yourself up. It means you need to get up. This phrase here it can be used in two ways. Literal meaning means really you need to pick yourself up after falling down. And the figurative meaning is, for example, if some of your friend is feeling very low, yes, is not feeling good, then you can use this phrasal verb. You can say that you need to, ups and downs are part of your life. You need to pick yourself up. It means you are giving her energy that you need to pick yourself up. You can use both in literal and figurative sense. Next, when something is improving, you can again use the phrasal verb pick up. Pick up is used to show that to improve or to develop. For example, let's talk about the economy. You can ask, has the economy pick up? Or the economy nowadays is picking up, right? So pick up means to show that something is improving. You can talk about your business also, that my business has started to pick up. Yes? Now I would like to call my colleague Archana to come up with some different meanings of phrasal verb pick up. Thank you, Varsha, for giving me this opportunity. I'm going to tell you the different meaning of pick up. To collect someone or something from some other place, usually by car. Generally, we use this phrasal verb. Like, my friend is going to pick me up in the evening. Like, who's going to pick me up from school? It is a general phrasal verb which we use, but we do not know this is the right usage. Next, to clean or tidy some area, usually a room in the home. When I was too small, my mom used to speak this phrasal verb, like pick up your room, how messy your room is. Like generally when the kids do the things, scatter the toys around the house, and mom used to say pick up your room. So clean your room. Next meaning, to arrest someone. Suppose this area is not safe for you. Soon the police will pick up these robbers. Means the police is going to pick up, means to arrest those who are making nuisance. Next usage, to pay for something. Like who's going to pay this bill? Suppose we are at the restaurant and we are with the friends. So friends, they used to talk, who's going to pick up this bill? I'm not going to pick. So now I call Charu, my friend, to share some different meanings of pick up.
Thanks, Archana. So here are the next 4 meanings of the phrase pick up. To buy something. When we go somewhere and acquire a physical object, buy a physical object, that is also a situation where we can use the phrase pick up. For example, last night when I went to the grocery store, I picked up some tissue rolls. How is it different from the meaning to pay for something? To pay for something, we can use it while we are paying for a service. For example, I picked up the bills last night. But here, to buy for something is for a physical object. When you actually buy a physical object, that is when you will use to buy something. Pick up. Next meaning, to understand information. When we understand some information, that is also a situation where we can use the phrase pick up. Do you pick up what I'm putting down? That is one idiom that is used with the phrase pick up. Next, to acquire some skill or talent over a period of time. Right now you have been learning English, so you can say this as I have been picking up English. Also, if you are learning a new musical instrument, that is also where you can use pick up. I've been picking up guitar over a period of time. Maybe it will take some time, but I will pick it up eventually. Next one, to acquire an illness or disease. When we acquire or pick up an illness from some other source, that is another situation and another meaning of the phrase pick up. For example, last week I picked up a really bad cold from work. Let's say he picked up COVID-19 from his co-worker. Next, I would like to call Priyanka to take us through some more meanings of the phrase pick up.
Thanks, Charu. Here I am going to explain you the next 3 meanings of pick up. Pick up means to start again or to continue something, not from the beginning but where we left off. It means we need not have to start from the beginning, but we have to continue where we stopped. For example, let's pick up where we left off. Next meaning of pick up is to receive or detect some kind of sound or signal. This happens with our cell phones. Let's give you an example. I could not attend your call because my phone did not pick up the signal. Next, I would like to call Sangeeta with some more meanings.
Thanks, Priyanka, for giving me the chance. Now I will give you a different meaning of pick up. To identify something. Here, identify something, if I take an example of a doctor, like doctor has picked up the early signs of heart attack. That means they have identified the sign of heart attack. If I take another example, like if I have a fever, then my mother has picked up the sign of my fever. The next meaning is to notice something that is not obvious. For example, the dog has picked up the scent. That means he has noticed something which is not obvious, that is the scent. The next meaning is to accelerate. That means, like if I say pick up your speed, otherwise we will get late for the school. That means we are taking the speed up, or we are making our speed. The next meaning is to answer the phone. Like if I say why the person is not picking up my phone, why he is not answering my phone. Here we go with the next meaning, to defend an opposing player. This can be taken in the context with the sports. Like if I say who is going to pick up this player, means who is going to defend the player. Last but not the least is to try to talk to someone to create a relationship.
So, how was that? Right now, you all are picking up the English language and you are doing a fantastic and wonderful job. You are learning, you are picking up 20 different meanings of one phrasal word. And I know it's very difficult, it's very confusing to learn 20 different meanings of one phrasal verb. And it may sometimes let you down. But if it does let you down, you need to pick yourself up. So I hope you have learned 20 different meanings of one phrasal verb pick up. And thanks for watching. Next week we'll come back with a new video. Thank you.